Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today we are talking about, and they expect tips before service. Doordash customers receives 3 empty Taco Bell cups instead of Gatorade. Okay, regardless of the tips comment, there is one thing that has been growing in the gig economy, and that is that certain drivers just refuse to fill cups. They believe it's the merchant's job, and don't get me wrong, it absolutely is, and they should be doing it themselves. But for some reason, this Taco Bell didn't want to do it themselves. So with that said, I want to go over what is being said in this article, how it actually is for gig workers, customers, and restaurants, and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. A woman went viral on TikTok after sharing a DoorDash mishap where she received 3 empty Taco Bell cups instead of Gatorades she ordered. The clip sparked a debate in the comments about whether the onus falls on the delivery driver or the restaurant employees to ensure complete orders. Okay, so to be clear, drivers are not supposed to be checking the order at all. And a lot of people, as customers, don't want the driver to check on the order because of health concerns and accuracy concerns that the driver would end up messing it up, especially with food theft on the rise. Now, a lot of drivers don't really have a problem with filling up cups, but there are a lot that do. So technically, the accuracy of the order falls on the restaurant since we do not have the authority, the power, or the decision making to actually fill up the cups for the restaurant, for the customer. So on paper and on a logistical level, it's supposed to be the restaurant. But that being said, that doesn't stop some employees from asking the drivers to help them out anyway. Is it that big a deal? In my eyes, no. And on some people's eyes, yes. The video was uploaded by user Bonnie for Shiz and Giggles, who filmed what she received from DoorDash. I'm gonna leave her TikTok as well as her profile in the description so you can develop your own opinions on the subject. So we ordered DoorDash and we ordered 3 Gatorades, and this is how it was delivered. She says, showing 2 small burritos, 2 power bowls, and 3 large empty cups. Despite the mistake, Bonnie and someone else can be heard laughing. Yeah, I think that is literally just the DoorDash driver out of spite for the restaurant, not necessarily the customer, but out of the spite for the restaurant, just being like, no, I'm not gonna fill these cups. Although I am surprised that Gatorades are put in a cup like that. Wouldn't Gatorades come in a bottle? And even if it didn't come in a bottle, is there like a freestyle machine that actually pours out Gatorade? Wouldn't that just be fruit punch like High C? I don't know. Taco Bell fail, DoorDash mishap, only in NYC. Like, what the hell? She added in the caption. It really is a Taco Bell fail. I don't know how much DoorDash is actually mishapping here. The video was viewed 320,000 times as of Wednesday, with some viewers claiming that DoorDash drivers aren't allowed to fill drinks due to health code violations. The things you do for content, huh? And that's absolutely right, too. We don't have food handlers licenses. That's number 1. Number 2, ever since 2020, we all pretty much were limited in how much we can actually check the order. So DoorDash put in place that we cannot check the order if it's sealed, number 1. Number 2, we're not supposed to check the accuracy of the order. We're literally just logistics. We pick up, we drop off, that's it. I used to do DoorDash, and sometimes the restaurant gives us the cups to fill ourselves, but according to DoorDash, we're not allowed to, one user wrote. Yeah, and some people have no problem to fill it ourselves, but some people actually do. And then there are some customers that actually get upset if they find out the DoorDash driver was putting their grubby little hands on their cups. Like, seriously? Is it against Doordash policy for the driver to fill drinks? It's on the restaurant, a second echoed. In some states, it's a health code violation for the dasher to make the drink. If they can't prepare or touch the food in a sealed bag, they can't do the drink, a third agreed. Yeah, I don't think a lot of restaurants really get that. Like, we don't have the authority to make those changes ourselves. So why do you assume that we could do that? Again, I personally don't have a problem with it, but you are breaking health code for that. Bonnie responded to one viewer's comment, noting that she doesn't blame the delivery driver for the issue. Even if he wanted to help and then he couldn't, cups were sealed in the bag. All on Taco Bell, she wrote. Oh, so the cups themselves were sealed in the bag. Yeah, we can't even touch that. I love how the headline on this article was, and they expect tips before the service. And yet we don't even have any authority to fill up the cups. What are you talking about? Other viewers shared their experiences ordering Taco Bell through DoorDash. I got banned from DoorDash for reporting my Taco Bell making mistakes each time, one person shared. Okay, so as a customer, if a restaurant is always screwing up your order, why do you continue to order from that restaurant? It doesn't matter if it's Taco Bell or a local pizza place or a very fancy restaurant. If they're screwing up your order, why do you keep going there? Why do you do that to yourself? I ordered DoorDash one day at work. The lady drove to my job and took a picture of the store and left with my food, a second commented. Look, DoorDash food theft is always going to be a problem, but again, this wasn't even the driver's fault. So what does this situation have anything to do with whatever you experienced at your job? Seriously. I ordered Taco Bell one time and got Jet's Pizza. Like, what is DoorDash doing at Third Road? I don't know for sure, but this is what I assume. The customer ordered later at night and the driver got a stacked order. The stacked order had two very similar names or just two very close locations. I don't know. They picked up Taco Bell and Jet's Pizza and then dropped off to customers and then they got it mixed up. That's what I assume. I don't know for sure, but that's what I would believe would be the case. Similar to Bonnie's experience, a DoorDash driver went viral in February after delivering an empty McAllister's deli cup to a customer. McAllister is gonna learn it's not our job to fill their drinks, he said, noting that delivery drivers are supposed to pick up complete and sealed orders. I actually made a video talking all about that. I'll leave it in the description. Feel free to check it out. This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. None of you pay me. There you go. First off, it is absolutely not our job to fill up the cups. It is a health code violation. It goes against DoorDash policy. I know a lot of drivers that will not risk their account to fill up cups. Will I fill up cups if I am asked by the restaurant to actually do so? I mean, honestly, I don't see that big a problem with it because I'm not dealing with the liquid itself. I'm dealing with the cup holding the liquid. I know a lot of drivers that do have a problem with that. Now, I would also have a problem if they asked me to fill up the cup and they weren't doing anything. If they're mega busy, there's nothing that they could do. They need to ask you for help. But if they're not busy and they're just asking you to fill up the cup for them because they don't want to do it themselves, that's just lazy. And not to mention, you asked them to fill 3 cups. I don't think Gatorade goes in cups. I have never seen a freestyle machine that offered Gatorade as an option. I just never seen it. I've never seen a fountain machine that offers Gatorade, actually speaking. I've seen Powerade, but I've never seen Gatorade. I'm glad that the customer is not blaming the DoorDash driver at all, but one thing I will note is that the headline said, and they expect tips before service. Not once was that comment brought up in the article itself. That was literally from the writer themselves inserting that into the article. This writer is literally trying to paint a narrative that drivers are at fault even though they haven't even done anything wrong here. It was literally all Taco Bell. DoorDash driver just had to be on the receiving end of this. Unfortunately, I don't know enough people that are going to read enough into the article to properly make a decision on the driver not being at fault though. So this Daily Dot writer is literally compromising the integrity of the company she works for by painting a false narrative. Do what you want with the cups. If you have the ability to fill the cups, it's up to you, but it really is the restaurant's responsibility to fill them according to the health codes and DoorDash policy. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!